Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the new recipe or how to unlock the new recipe. Pillow shape egg yolk and pork Zongzi recipe in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Dragon Boat Festival, and in this event you can cook any new special event food. And to cook this food, you need unlock the recipe first, and to unlock this recipe is very easy. First, just go to your stove and then just choose this original recipe. So make sure you already have this original recipe. You can buy this recipe at the Midsummer Rhyme Exchange store, and then after that, just complete all the ingredients. You need bamboo leaf that you can buy it at the exchange store too. And then next you need paddy that you can get it from the gardening hobby. So just plant it yourself at your home. You can get the seeds at the NPC plant. And then next you need egg and meat. So in here you need 4 ingredients: bamboo leaf, patty, egg, and meat. And then for the egg and meat, you can buy it from the NPC Chef Massimo. And then after that, just tap on start cooking, just like that. And then just cook this zongzi. Like this, just like that, you will unlock this pillow shaped egg yolk and pork zongzi recipe, and the recipe will be added to your collections automatically. Like this, you can see it, you successfully unlock this recipe. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.